Critical issues with Bisi Adewale.
My wife is too secretive. She does not open up at all. No matter what you say to her, no matter what your questions, she will just be looking at me. What should I do for her to open up? This is Critical Issues with Bisi Adewale. Thank you for joining me in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Bisi Adewale and put on the notification so that you can enjoy this video. Critical Issues video are being posted every day, so you need to join us so that you can enjoy it. This man said his wife is so secretive. She doesn't open up, she doesn't talk. You know, there are some things we don't know about this marriage. Is there conflict in this marriage? Was this woman like this when you just got married to her? Does she talk to people when she's outside, but when she got inside, she doesn't talk to you? So, if she talks to people outside, she's lively when she's with her friends, playing with people, talking to people, or even with her children, she's so open and talk to them. But anytime she's with you, she will suddenly become deaf and dumb. She doesn't talk to you, she doesn't play with you. It means she is hot. She is hot. When people just get married, the woman will want to open up, she want to talk and everything. If you shut her down at that stage, she can shut down forever, that she will stop talking to you. No matter what you do, she will just stop, she will just shut down. If she's the kind of person that she would like to talk to you to resolve some issue, but you didn't give her any opportunity to talk, you intimidated her into silence, she will not only be silent about that particular conflict, she may become silent in every aspect, that she will just be looking at you. She's boiling inside, she's dying inside, but she will keep quiet. So what are we supposed to do? Number one, to the woman, if you will be watching this video, or any other woman that will be watching this video, keeping quiet because you are hot, make you hot the more. It will hurt your head, it will hurt your marriage, it will hurt your husband. It's better you create the atmosphere. Find one way or the other to sit down your husband so that you can talk. So that you can talk. Don't be intimidated to silence. It is not good for anyone, especially you. Some women will just make up their mind. I will not talk again. I will just keep my mouth shut. No matter what he does. Even if he put his head on the floor and use it to walk, I won't talk again. I want to keep my peace. That is a lie. If you don't talk, you are not keeping your peace. You are not keeping your peace. You are only turning yourself into pieces on the inside. The day you will blow up, it will be shocking to everybody, because people will think you are happy, you enjoy life, you are the best woman around. They will suddenly see you blowing up. It will shock everybody. It will shock everybody. Now to the husband, if you are married to a woman that was lively before, suddenly she kept to herself, she began to become secretive, you talk to her, she's just using monosyllable word. Okay, I hear, okay, 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 go ahead, come back, I'm going, I do, I came, I come. When you zero down a man like that, they zero down a woman to that level, you see what? You have become a commander. A lot of women, a lot of men are commander. You don't want to hear her voice. You order him, you order her around. Do this, do that, do that. She wanted to put her mouth, but you shut her down. You shut her down. At a stage, she will withdraw like a snail. You see, if you use anything to, if a snail want to come out, If you use anything to touch the snail will withdraw. And when the snail withdraws, it will not come out again, at least when you are there. So this woman will become lively in the office, become lively with her children, will become lively with her friends, become lively in the neighborhood. But we only shut down when she get to you. That is why you need to open up now. You need to open her up, take her out, give her the room to talk, play with her, ask her what is really eating her up on the inside. Set the table so that you can talk. We call it intimate talking time. ITT. Don't intimidate her. Talk to her and resolve your issues. You will see her talking again. That is what will make your marriage work. To get details of this, I want to encourage you to go and order from our books. Super marriage bundle. Super marriage bundle consists of 4 books. A desperate need of your wife. I think every husband must read that book. A desperate need of your husband. Every wife. Don't think you know your husband until you read this particular book. Then 100% marriage will teach you how to build an exceptional marriage. Then 5 other marriage will teach you how to protect your marriage. These 4 books are what your marriage is waiting for, to transform your marriage forever. Go to familybooks.com to download the e-copy, or call the number you see on your screen so that you may be able to order for the physical copy if you are based in Nigeria. Thank you for joining me in the video today. Always remember that people will always have critical issues, but God will always have supernatural solutions.
Now, you can make your marriage sweeter, stronger, better, tantalizing, and more romantic by joining our 31 Days Marriage Makeover Bootcamp, where you're going to watch 34 uncommon videos on intimacy, finance, sex, romance, and lots more that will turn your marriage around forever. Quickly go to familiacourses.com and start the journey of fruitful, blissful, and successful marriage now. You get it at 75% discount if you get the course today.